Okay, great. So you created your product and you've written your sales letter. Okay, so now you're good to go. But if you want to increase the value of your product or your funnel, it's best if you add upsells and downsells. Now, again, this is optional, but this is going to increase your chances of success because you're going to make more money if you offer upsells and downsells, and you're going to attract more affiliates. So, if you're not familiar with funnels, usually the way they work is you have a product that you would sell, and then when people buy your product, they would immediately be taken to an upsell offer to buy something that's related to your main product, and you could sell this for a higher price. And if they turn that down, they could be presented with a downsell offer where they could buy that product for a lower price. But of course, you would just take out some bonuses or have some reason for offering them a discount on that upsell. Okay, so every business that I can think of offers upsells. Amazon, McDonald's, it doesn't matter what business you're in, you need upsells to increase the sales you make per customer. Okay, and now when you're building these funnels, a great tool you could use is ClickFunnels. It's a software tool that I use to create my own sales funnels. It makes it a lot easier. Okay, so upsells and downsells, creating them can be a lot of hassle, especially if you have more than one upsell. Some marketers create up to 3 or 4 upsells. Okay, now another alternative to this, if you don't want to create more products to offer as upsells in your funnel, instead of creating more products, you can just offer the resale rights to your main product, and also private label rights if you want. So basically, let's say you have a product on how to drive traffic to your website. You would sell that on the front end, and when people buy that, you could offer them the opportunity to buy resale rights so that they can resell that course. And if they buy the resale rights, you could offer them another upsell where you could sell them the private label rights, meaning that they could edit the product and resell the product.